Say hi, Dad.
Hi, guys.
Hey, everyone. I am back at it again. It's 2017, and I've decided that I'm going to try and finish all my new things in my 25th year. Today, I'm going to do hardwood for the first time with my dad. I don't know if you know, but they're creating a little space for me in our basement, and so it's almost done. We just have to do the floor, and so I'm gonna try my best to do some hardwood flooring, and that's my dad. He's getting the room ready. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, guys.
Stay tuned. Day one done, and we got 5 rows completed. How do you feel?
Terrible.
We'll continue tomorrow.
Good morning. It's early Saturday morning, and I just woke up, gonna get some breakfast, and I'm gonna help my dad a little bit before I go to work. I hate mornings. I need some coffee. We are almost done! Woo! Yay! The floor project is finally done. I have to keep my voice down a little bit. I forgot to record an end to this vlog. My parents are currently sleeping, so I have to be quiet. But yeah, we finished all the floors in the main living space, in my bedroom, the laundry room, and my bathroom. And it was so cool that I got to work on a project with my dad. And yeah, the finished product looks really great. And I only had one injury the entire time. If you can see that, I was like hammering a piece of wood, and I missed the piece of wood and I hit my nail instead. It's kind of gross, but it's okay, no biggie. The finished product is totally worth it. But I'll keep you posted. It's time to start moving all my stuff down here, start doing the finishing products. I'll probably do another like DIY thing for one of my new things. I'm gonna do my very best to continue posting and to finish all of these 25 new things before my birthday hits in July. But until the next one, stay adventurous and do something new. Bye.